Alright, now I'll be showing you the exact method you use to convert your books that is in ePUB to PDF. Alright, so I'll just search for ePUB to PDF converter. Alright, so the first one is what I actually make use of, the free PDF convert.com. So once you click on it, you now choose your ebook file that is in ePUB. The file you have to choose will be in ePUB. So when you click on choose ebook file, you click on documents. For my phone, for your phone it might not be in this format, and then you select the folder where it is, as the case may be, and then you input. Once you do that, it will automatically load and then give you a link to download. And once you click on the download, you are done. You successfully converted it to PDF. Right, you don't need to sign up, you don't need to sign in, you just do it, just follow the instruction given and you'll be done with that. All right, thank you.